Well, hello everyone. How are you? Hope that you are very fine. You're so great today. We're gonna do a class right now, and I want to start. Now I'm recording the class, right? Uh, in this class, there were no students that registered, but I'm gonna start the class, and it will last 15 minutes to prove my assistance to this class, right? So we're gonna start. Let me turn on the camera. That's okay. That's right. I'm going to close it and let's go with. Well, hello everyone. How are you? Hope you are very fine today. We're gonna do a classroom activity. Is it with it took I develop this activity based on based on integrated learning. This is a B2 level real English. I am Edwin Lobonaban. This is a tutor for today, right? The topic for today is about environmental issues, talking about climate change and sustainability, right? We're gonna do now a objective, learn vocabulary related to environment issues, read and analyze a short test about a successful environment campaign, watch and discuss a successful environment act, create and present your own mini advertisement idea for an eco-friendly product, right? Instruction for the class. Participate actively in every activity and you will gain confidence and fluency, right? By doing that. And practice English daily with music, videos, and friends. You will improve faster and speak naturally, right? Enjoy learning through games, teamwork, and creativity. You will have fun and remember more, right? So, having finished that, we're going to start with the warm-up activity. Activity. Tell one of two brands you receive with being environmentally friendly. I don't know if the students have heard about that, but if they do, or if they do, so they can tell me, for example, I know about Tesla. Tesla is a sustainable campaign or a business that foster the idea of don't wasting energy or wasting don't release gases of CO2 in the environment. So in or the yes, it's the kind of thing that they do when they want to save the environment. Don't to waste this kind of oil in the environment. So they use electric cars by saving um, to save the world, right? And then we have, for example, BMW. BMW is another campaign cars that foster sustainability, right? And save. It has a kind of campaign that foster the idea of to save environment and to save a natural ecosystem. So right now we have Apple. In this way, Apple is a kind of business that foster a campaign of helping the environment by producing or recycling their components from other cell phones, and they use it, or on the cell phone they don't sell, so they use these components in order to produce more cell phones, right? And they don't use new material, new I don't know how to say it. Uh, the principal matter that is taken in in the, I don't know, the miners, los mineros, ¿sí? Entonces, esas son las tres campañas que he puesto como ejemplo to prove or to know if they don't know, if they know of this. If they don't know, they can tell other business, right? Other business or other brands that are related to environmentally friendly, right? Now then we have vocabulary. This is a letter solve. We're gonna do a letter solve right here in this educaplay.com. We're gonna enter to this educaplay. I'm gonna give this link to the students in order to make them to do this activity, right? So detail, these are the words we have here: sustainability, climate change, renewable energy, carbon footprint, deforestation, recycling, conservation, and eco-friendly, right? Now, when they finish, it will last maybe 7 to 10 minutes. That's all. And then when they finish, I'm gonna give them some feedback about that. Oh, good job, excellent, And then we're gonna do this reading comprehension activity. So I have put and I have take this title, the don't buy this jacket campaign. Don't buy the jacket campaign is a kind of brand, or no brand, but it's a campaign, right? It's a campaign that they foster. They say that they in one time, right? But the organizers learned this on Black Friday and sales increased 30%. So they say don't buy this jacket because you are wasting, because you are fostering to climate change, not to save the world. Don't to stop doing that, right? And you are telling, they are telling them to don't buy the jacket, but it's like a ironic thing, because if they say don't buy the jacket, they are saying don't buy this product, but it have a controversial meaning in the mind of people. So if they say, I don't, they are, the idea is that they are fostering, they are subconscious, and they are shading this conscious, this honesty, and the word honesty, made them feel that they can buy them more things they have or they are producing, but in a more like in a more controlled way, right? In a more, I don't know, say, una forma más consciente, more conscious about that, right? Now, when we finish reading comprehension, we're gonna do a listening activity. This is about this is a series that talk about how Apple, I think that is Apple, right? How the Apple are they take label report on child labor, and how they have wasted, or they don't produce as machines produce it. I think, I don't remember. I wanna listen again. But when they listen it, I'm gonna ask them some questions. What do you understand by the with about the video? What things they mention, the important thing they mention, something like that. And when we finish that listening activity, we're gonna do a speaking activity. Do you think large companies are doing enough to combat climate change? And they're gonna answer, right? And the second, what are some simple things individual can do to live more sustainability? We have here this picture and this picture, and then they gonna think about that, understand the meaning of the context, and they gonna answer me the question. And then, in my opinion, what is the most serious environmental issue today? For example, we have rising temperature, drought, extreme weather, sea level rise, and something like that, right? Well, when they finish doing that, we're gonna do this writing and grammar activity, right? Um, in this activity is based on the topic we are trying, right? The topic we are covering. But in this case, they're gonna the title is be the ECOD advisor, right? The title for this activity. Then we're gonna write like this example, right? They're gonna write like this example a kind of product, a kind of sustainable product, and they gonna invent them. They gonna invent them. They are going to invent them and try to describe this product as well in a paragraph like this, or less can be less or the amount of or maybe I gonna give you the student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. That's all they can do it. If they have to do if they want to do more, they can do it, but it will last almost like 10 minutes in order to do everything. 10 minutes or 7 minutes, right? Remember that in this activity, in all this presentation class, uh, maybe there are 2 or 3 students, so it can extend more, right? That's why there are no more like more pages here. But that's the idea that they can participate, they can practice, and the video can extend to 1 hour, no more, right? And then we're gonna do a warm up. What makes an environmental act successful? Which part of the class did you enjoy the most? Reading, listening, speaking, and writing. It's kind of a tool evaluation. I don't know how to say it. Es una clase de test que me permite yo evaluar a los estudiantes de tal forma que sepa yo cuáles son sus fortalezas al aprender el inglés. Sus fortalezas son el listening, el reading, y cómo nosotros podemos complementar el speaking, el writing, o sea, cómo podemos complementar las debilidades de los estudiantes con las fortalezas y cómo podemos trabajarlo mediante las metodologías que vamos a implementar en la clase. ¿Listo? What new words did you learn today? What new words? The vocabulary related to this topic, right? And if they say, no, I learned about climate change, I learned what is rise temperature, or rise river, rise, I don't know, like this. Sea level rise, rising temperature, raw, medieval, and the beginning, right? The beginning was this, and the vocabulary is this. And they say, no, I learned about sustainability, climate change, renewable energy, carbon footprint, and so on, right? And then, then I'm gonna give the student this link, right? In order to make them, or to make him, her, to register to this, the assistance, right? And I'm gonna give them a great thanks for assisting to this class. But I want to tell you something. This in the other class, it will take I don't know, 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. I don't know what is the time for the next class today. But it is so, we're gonna maybe do more time, like to extend to 1 hour, because I didn't find more activity, because this activity I made, it was I think for not getting students frustrated, or maybe I don't know how to say saturarse en inglés, pero no me gustaría que ellos se saturaran mucho, porque entre más, o sea, entre más sea la cantidad de actividades, se suelen saturar más. Entonces yo lo que hago es adecuar unas actividades lo más perfectas posible, lo más no cuantiosas posibles, sino lo más limitadas posibles, porque yo sé que los estudiantes se tienden a aburrirse, a saturarse, y ya se quieren ir. Mucho me ha tocado así estudiantes que se saturan, ya no quieren participar, o se salen se salen a la cuarta, a la quinta página, ya se quieren salir o ya no quieren participar. Entonces yo lo que hago es reducir esa cantidad de páginas, esa cantidad de actividades para poder que ellos participen. De lo contrario se pueden aburrir. Entonces yo hago actividades gamificadas, como por ejemplo EducaPlace, la sopa de letras, después el Reading Comprehension, ver un video, después ver el Speaking Activity, después hacer un Writing y después hacer un Word Up de lo que un wrap up que es de lo que se aprendió en la clase. Bueno, thank you so much for assisting to this class. Thank you tutor or whoever who is watching this video, and thank you so much for that, right? Thank you. Let's go to finish. Let's go to finish, to finish, to finish. Let's go and start. Okay. Let's go.